Computer science has different areas like web designing, gaming, multimedia, data science, machine learning, image processing. Ooh, that's too much, isn't it? Well, if you like to learn any area of computer science, you just need to learn one programming language, that is Python. You can learn these modern and popular programming languages using this course on the site 7x24learn.com. Python from 0 to Hero for beginner levels. Of course, it's a starting point, but you can access to this course with a great discount right now and have lifetime access. And of course, if you don't like it, you can have your money back. So if you like to learn a new and modern programming languages like Python, don't miss this chance.